In these trying times, this is one of the most valuable substances in all of North America. But even in times of shortage, when you're happy just to have one of these, it must be used correctly. Now watch. This is how some of you people do this. See this? That's wrong. I don't want to hear about it. Okay? This is not the way it's done. Watch carefully. See this? Comes off the front. Doesn't touch the wall. You don't know where that wall's been. So, let's remember this over the top thing, okay? This is, I know it may seem trivial, but it's not.